Hey Tube, this video is on the benefits of burning wood. So essentially I make these for people on order, and it's literally to hold firewood. It just looks cool. It's a wood teepee, I call it. And you can see this side, I literally just finished burning it. And the benefits of it are, keeps bugs from eating it. It looks cool. It's a natural way of preserving the wood, and you don't burn it to like a crisp, but you get a nice sear on it. I'm about ready to do the A-frame part, and you want to do all the end pieces as well. And I will do the floor, and I will do the face, and yeah, so you can see this side. It's not done at all yet. And I'm going to do a little demonstration. This is, always make sure you have a little water in case something starts to continue to burn. You just want to put it out quickly so it doesn't screw up anything. And yeah, just have one of these, just a little propane torch. So let's see if I can light this with one hand. There we go. Just want to kind of go, you know, a nice smooth pattern. You want to get the underneath areas, and I just like it because it really pulls out the wood grain, and it protects your wood. Bugs won't eat it after it's been burned. So it's kind of like, I should have took that little tag off, but it's okay. Much easier than staining, and it's just a natural way of preserving your wood. People have been doing this for hundreds of years. If you don't like the wood burn look, then of course you can stain it or do whatever you want. I just happen to like this look, and I like how it works. And it will get lighter over time as the rain falls on it and so on. So feel free to, you know, go a little darker than you would have, because it will get lighter over time. And you're not burning all the way through the wood, obviously. You're just scorching the outside so that the bugs leave it alone, and it can handle the weather. And if you're wondering why this section is a little wider, I just haven't cut that off yet. Just gonna use a skill saw and cut it off. But this is how easy it is, and you can see how when you're doing it, the wood grain just pops. And it's really simple to do, as you can see. And like I said, make sure you have water standing by. I was a firefighter for 30 years, so I don't want to see anybody burn themselves or you know, burn down their freshly new wood enclosure, teepee, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, I make these to order for people. Obviously you have to live somewhat local to where I live. And I usually drop them off for them, put them wherever they need. So if you're in my area, New England, New Hampshire, and you're interested in something like this for your firewood for the winter time, reach out to me in the comments and I can make one for you. This one goes for $450 right now, just based on wood prices. And I'm not trying to sell them here or anything like that. Just, you know, sometimes people are local and they can't build things like this, and if you wanted one, I'd have no problem. I'd make them for you, as long as you're local. Like I said, way too big to ship. You'd have to come in a bunch of pieces and stuff, and I'm just not set up to do that. So I just like to help people out locally. Again, we have really cold winters here, and people like to store their firewood so they can get to it easy. But I just like how this looks. It just makes everything pop. I'm gonna stop for now. I'll finish up after, but you can see how it works and how it looks compared to undone. Like I said, it will lighten a little over time, just with light hitting it and rain washing some of the soot away. But I think it looks amazing. It's just personal preference. And again, it's got a purpose. It's protecting your wood as well. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Just lets YouTube know that people liked it, and they'll send it out to other people. If you're interested in something like this and you're local, again, I'm not trying to sell it or anything, but I do make them. So if you're trying to keep your wood, and it looks cool, just looks cooler than, you know, regular square one or whatever. People tarp things over them. But I made quite a few already, and everybody loves them. Sometimes people put Christmas lights, so it looks like a Christmas tree. Christmas, you can buy those. I could probably leave a link in the description for where you can get them on Amazon, and you can just get solar, so you don't need an outlet outside or whatever to plug it in, and it just turns on and off by itself, dusk and dawn. So again, just get yourself a little propane torch, and you saw how to do it. It's pretty easy. Like I said, way easier than staining. It will hold up. Bugs won't eat it. And this is all you need for a great wood shelter. This is probably the 3rd year that I've been making them, and everybody still loves theirs, so I haven't heard any complaints. And this is how we do things here in New England. So thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one. Again, please leave a like. If you feel like subscribing, because I have a lot of other content, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, YouTube.